So, yeah, what we're going to be learning today is about deep diving into data science. So, I don't know how many of you guys actually are aware about what data science is. So, you're going to know a bit more about what data science is and what all we do as a part of it, and a simple use case, and then we'll look at what all are the actual job opportunities that you guys are really looking for, since that is your career goal, right? Like that is something that you can evaluate whether it's a career goal or not. So it's just like a question that everyone wants answers to. So yeah, so the agenda is as follows: that we'll talk something about data science, what the terminology is, the different kind of applications that you'll see in the data science field. um, it's found anywhere and everywhere today. Then we look at a bit about the process flow. So there is a typical process flow that is followed for any kind of a data science application that we build up. Then we look at a simple business problem, a very simple sample use case that will give you an idea as to what kind of data science work is there out there in the industry. Then journey ahead. Journey ahead is basically your most asked question, that is, what kind of jobs lie ahead, etc. So that's what we plan to look at. Now, when we look at this image, it's a very nice pictorial representation of what a data scientist is. So this lady is saying that, oh, you're dropping your numbers. So this guy is saying that no worries. I have so many of them since I'm a data scientist. And yeah, under the banner you see it is written that data scientist is the sexiest job of the 21st century. So yeah, to justify this, data scientists work all days with numbers. That's a fact. So it's all about numbers and numbers everywhere. But it's not similar to your CA commerce kind of a role. But yeah, you do deal with numbers day in, day out. And you deal with reading data, which is also numbers, maybe analyzing it also, which is numbers, and also your predictions might also be numbers. So it's quite possible that you're dealing with numbers all around you, 360 degrees. So yeah, when they say that data scientist is the sexiest job of the 21st century, it is actually, because we're able to, build up such applications and develop such things which certainly revolutionize a lot of things in the industry, which was earlier not even thought of. Different kinds of skill sets which are majorly required for data science, so that you get an idea as to what all is the skill sets which you need to develop, or something that you already have. So you can just kind of do a match up with your skill set if you're really interested to be in this field, or if you're already in this field and if you're looking for a job, maybe you're working somewhere and looking to switch or similar lines, we'll get an idea that what are the different kinds of skill sets which companies are usually looking for in data scientists. So there are three main bubbles which are a part of the data science domain. So first being the computer science bubble, which you see on your left hand side. So here we can see that computer science means all your basic programming skills, be it in any language, say Python, R, SAS, whichever you pick up, is your basic uh, number one requirement in computer science. So you need to be aware of one of the programming languages so that you can work with designing and creating solutions for any kind of a data science problem. So this covers your first bubble on the majority way. Whereas in the second bubble on the right hand side, you see maths and statistics. So for data scientists, there is no relief from maths. You have to know your basic 12 standard maths and also your statistics. So your central tendencies, mean, median, mode, your distributions, your probability, all of that is something that you need to know to really get to learning your machine learning algorithms, how to use them, how to really go about deriving them, etc. So now you see that at the intersection of computer science and maths, you have this small bubble of machine learning. So this machine learning is nothing but just a set of algorithms or a set of steps which enable you to perform calculations and also design really innovative solutions, which might be on the prediction side, which might be in any kind of a case. So yeah, machine learning lies at the intersection of computer science as well as math and statistics. Now, the third bubble that you have is called as the business or domain expertise. So you might be seeing like applications like say weather prediction. Like we often get these weather reports coming in that okay, tomorrow it's going to be raining really heavily. There's a red alert, orange alert, yellow alert. For people who live in Mumbai, they might pretty much resonate with all of this. And even like there might be like cyclone warnings which come into place, right? So these kind of things are totally based on the predictions which are made by the people who are working as a part of those organizations. So that's why you require typical domain expertise or typical business knowledge depending on the kind of problem statement that you're trying to solve. So if you're trying to solve a problem which is related to finance, you need to have some basic knowledge about. So your business and domain expertise is something that you can learn on the job. It is not necessary that you need to know everything, but you need to have the acumen and the ability to grasp things and also to um, learn things quickly. So that is required since the problem statement might be catering to a particular domain. So if you're solving that particular problem, you need to have like some basic knowledge. So that is something that you can gain while you're working in the team, but you need to be able to learn quickly and you need to able to adapt to things. So that is your third bubble, which is your business and domain expertise.